Do you know what's truly the most valuable asset in a company? Is it the buildings, the machines, the products, the employees? Actually, it's none of those. The most valuable asset is its customers. That's why it's absolutely essential to take great care of your customers. You need to boost your customer service and make sure you're doing proper follow-ups. And just as importantly, you need to be growing your customer base every single day. That's the real key to a thriving company. But honestly, a lot of people don't focus on this. They don't even do simple things like wishing a customer a happy birthday. Many companies don't have a proper customer registry. The information is often just held by individual employees. Many still rely on Excel sheets to keep customer records. Plenty of companies have a website, but they have no way of using it to expand their customer base. And if an employee leaves, sometimes the entire customer base they managed just disappears. To prevent these kinds of problems, there's a specific type of software application used globally by modern companies. It's called CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. If you use a CRM, you will inevitably see your company's customer base grow day by day, and your revenue will definitely increase. Many people think CRM software is really expensive, but that's a misconception. One of the latest and simplest CRMs out there is called SalesWin.ai. It's a highly suitable and cost-effective CRM solution for many companies. To learn more about SalesWin, head over to SalesWin.ai now.